Elevate your English. Mastering phrasal verbs with take. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting video on mastering English. Today we are diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs. More specifically, we will be exploring the vast and versatile phrasal verbs that use the word take. If you have been struggling with these, then you're in the right place. Phrasal verbs are a combination of words from different categories, such as a verb and a preposition, a verb and an adverb, or a verb with both an adverb and a preposition. Today, we are focusing on phrasal verbs that start with take. These are very common in English, and mastering them will significantly improve your fluency and understanding. Let's dive into some common phrasal verbs with take and explore their meanings. Take off. This can mean to remove something, often clothing, or it can refer to an airplane leaving the ground. Take up. To start a new hobby or habit. Take down. To record notes or information, or to dismantle something. Take over. To assume control or responsibility. Take back. To return something or to retract a statement or opinion. Now that we've gone over the definitions, let's put these phrasal verbs into some sentences. Take off. I always take off my shoes when I enter the house. Take up. She decided to take up yoga to improve her flexibility. Take down. Could you take down these notes for me, please? Take over. When the CEO retired, his daughter decided to take over the business. Take back. I take back what I said earlier. I didn't mean to offend you. And there you have it, folks. That was our deep dive into phrasal verbs with take. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice and contextual usage. Try to incorporate these into your daily conversations and writings. You'll soon find that they become second nature to you. Stay tuned for more lessons on English language learning, and keep up the good work. You're doing an amazing job. Until next time, happy learning.